What's popping, everyone? Good morning. I hope you all having a good day. Smash that subscribe button and be part of the family. So today, as you can see on our title, we are having a big day. Today is May 10 and you know what it is. It's Mother's Day. We are really having a big surprise. This is not just an ordinary surprise. We are going to set up full light and sound system.
No, intry ko man lang i-upload. Kuya, iyan, bebe. Wow!
Okay, so hi guys.
Wow!
It's my vlog number 2.
Panduan! So, hindi muna namin masyado pinapansin si Mama para mas ma-feel niya yung surprise. So, iniinis namin siya, hindi namin sa kanya pinapa-feel na Mother's Day. Tapos, kunwari nakalimutan namin yung Mother's Day ngayon. Tara, inisin muna natin. Protect your queen! Protect the queen! Good girl! Good girl! Mama, alisin mo na yung Mother's Day?
I feel like a father. A father
Ano yung
and a
luluto mo?
mother at the same time. Vegetables, fish, and adobo.
Yuck!
Now your favorite vegetables and fish.
Kunwari, Mama, may cooking show ka.
You have to prepare all the things. Ang hirap mag-Tagalog, be.
Sige, mag-English ka na lang.
I only use a little of pork.
Lil?
Little. Konti lang. Keep it for another day. Then, don't follow me.
Wow!
Happy Mother's Day!
May nagkapururod! Siyempre para to sa mga doggy. Heaven for sniper! Sarang! Since yesterday at kanina, nag-prepare na kami ng mga dapat namin i-prepare para mamaya. So watch this clip. Alright guys, so andito na kami ngayon sa studio. Gumagawa si ate ng bagong kanta para kay Mama. And we are getting ready para sa surprise tomorrow. Let's go! So yun nga, mag-set up kami bukas. Ito, gumagawa ng kanta ngayon, nag-record.
There you go. So ang plano is, sasamahan ni Ate Nana si Mama palabas para makapag-prepare kami dito sa labas ng bahay. But before that, samahan niyo muna ako, join me kasi magkakaroon ako ng 4-2-1 challenge, mag-shoot ako. So, let's go! Hi guys, this is 4-2-1 challenge. So that's one count. We go 1 and oh
yeah, wake up in the morning, I roll up and count my money. I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy. Oh, did you love me?
Okay guys, dyan na si Jovic, mag-set up na siya ng ating sound light. Si DJ Jovic. Trabaho ng DJ is to first to arrive, last to go. Andyan po siya. Bagong gupit po yan. Yeah! Say hi naman dyan.
Hi.
So ayan guys, magsa-soundcheck na ang ating DJ. Alright! And ayun nga, kakatapos ko lang mag-shoot ng para sa choreography ng challenge ko. This time, kakaalis lang nila mama at nagpe-prepare na ako, tsaka sila Kuya Zoren, sila Kuya Jovic ng para mamaya. Nag-set up kami ng full setup para sa sounds and lights, boy! And syempre, iso-surprise natin si mama. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging reaction niya. Mama, Happy Mother's Day! So, eto na nga sila. Naka-blindfold na nga siya.
Do you remember the day you held hands on me? Tucked me beside you, wondering what life could be. And even when I was still small,
Okay, alisin mo na mama. 3, 2, 1.
me
Happy Mother's
a
Day!
heart so full and strong. What could go wrong to a love that is?
Yun na! What can you say? Compose natin, Nana. Tapos second voice ako.
She'll do anything for you, even sacrifice. A mother's love will keep you alive. She'll hold your hand for the rest of her life. Love, love.
Father's Day. Father's Day!
Father's Day will never die. Masamang damo pa.
Galing tapos ang handa.
Handa, oh.
Pero ikaw man ma-order.
Ikaw set up. Ikaw kapos. Surprise mo sa diri mo. Ayan na, wow!
Di ka sasaktan mula noon hanggang ngayon. Ikaw at ako.
That's it. What a day. Nakaligo na ako kasi sobrang init. Nakailang pa rin ako ng damit. We really enjoyed the day. Sobrang productive. And siguro nagustuhan naman ni mama yung surprise na. Lahat ng nakita niyo sa video na to, yung mga kasama kong tao, may napakilala ko siya sa first vlog ko. So kung hindi niyo pa napapanood yun, puntahan niyo na, link on my bio, andun yung first vlog ko. And also, my single is out on all music stores. It's called Love Till Infinity. You can stream it to Spotify, Deezer, iTunes. Sa lahat, abangan niyo din yung release ng Oxin by 4th track music. Sobrang solid nun. Yun ang dapat niyo abangan. And syempre, yung mga susunod ko pang ganda nila. So I guess that's it. That's it for today. That's it for the vlog. If you'll give this video a comment, like, and subscribe. Shoutouts to Ella Romeo. This is your boy Josh Boy. Peace!
Love you to the moon and back. Cause baby you're the queen of hearts. You are the angel from above. That we always know it.